Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add tails to your font in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So this is the homepage of Canva. You can choose anyone. I'm just showing you the demo. So let's choose this one, YouTube thumbnail. Type in like a text, like enter. Let's type in, okay. Let's say YouTube, right? So in order to add tail to this font, you can simply change the font by selecting this and going here. You can change it into different font like this one over here. Yeah, see how this changed? Like this is also better. And yeah, just like this you can change it. Or you can explore stuff like this. So okay, in order to like let's type in slide and here. So this, if you resize it, you can see how this is here. This is how to add tails to your font in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.